The most commonly used point and draw input device is mouse. You can select menus, buttons, draw graphics, drag and drop items by using mouse. This figure shows different shapes of mouse: a 2-button mouse, 3-button mouse, and a mouse with a trackball. Mouse generates left click, right click, double click, and drag events. When you want to select an item, you can point to that item and click left mouse button. You can double click the left mouse button to open an application. If you click right mouse button once, it opens a shortcut menu. You can select an item and by holding the left mouse button, drag that item to a new location.
Optical devices include barcode readers and optical character readers. These use light as a source of input. Barcode reader reads the barcode and converts it into a computer-readable format. It converts the individual bar patterns into numeric digits. The image scanner converts printed text and graphics into electronic form. It works by sensing the intensity of light reflected at different points of the printed material. Color scanners use color filters to separate RGB colors. Modem scanners allow you to scan printed material and translate its image into editable text by using optical character recognition software. Although the conversion from image to text is quite complex task, OCR software has become very advanced and can translate the various fonts. All modern computers have multimedia capabilities. Input devices are used to make audio and video input. Audio input devices can be used to record voice to the computer. Modem computers have the ability to recognize the voice patterns. Multimedia capabilities allow you to conduct online education by using video conferencing and audio-video chatting.